Friends, today I am going to show you a brand new coconut opener that I have bought from Country Delight. And Country Delight is also offering us coconut, uh, tender coconut, which you can drink in the summer season for your health benefits. Uh, so both of these I have ordered from the Country Delight. This is also available in Amazon also. Okay, so this is a very nice product. You can make a hole even if it is not cut. Then also you can put on the side of the coconut and make hole like this. Okay, so this is a very good household kitchen item for drinking coconut water at home if you are ordering from the online marketplace like Big Basket, Geomart, or Country Delight. So they have given these three, like this is the cap because this has very sharp edges. So they have, for the protections they have put this cap, and this is one stick. Like once you make a hole, then the item which is stuck inside this, you can clear it and clean it up by pushing it like this. So this is the product you can see on Country Delight. It is very cheaper. I got it for 56 rupees only, and this coconut water for 49 rupees. I will be giving you the link for these things. You can use those links to purchase if you want. So now I will open this. And using this you can uh, press, and you have to rotate like this. So as you can see, the hole is made. Now you can see the coconut hole which we have made. It is stuck here, so you can clean it like this. Now either you can put a straw inside this hole and enjoy the coconut water, or you can pour into a bowl like I am pouring it. See how uh, smoothly it is coming out of the hole. You can pour into a bowl and then put it in a glass and drink it. Country Delight is telling that they are giving big coconut, uh, and it will give you around 350 to 400 ml of coconut water. Wow, it is still coming. See, I have fully emptied it. See how much water has come. Now you can pour in a glass. One glass is full, and give me another glass. I will show you how much total it is coming. Wow, I have got two full glasses. As you can see, still some is left. So, so you see, now you can enjoy coconut water from Country Delight, and tell us more in your comment. Thank you, friends. Bye.